Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Jeep Wrangler can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how I completed this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. We will begin this installation by calling out a bracket that may be in place on some models. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to remove it. You will know you have the bracket when you look underneath your bumper and identify your two outside mounting locations already have a bolt in place. You can remove them using a 19mm socket. This hardware will not be reinstalled. The bracket can now be removed. You may need to pull out gently on the fascia to get it out. I would recommend a set of work gloves as you will be grabbing sternly on a sharp metal edge. We're now ready to raise the hitch into place, but before we do so, I'm going to mount a wiring bracket to the pre-welded flange on this hitch. Let's go ahead and take a look. Now, because I prefer the sleek look of the bracket up as opposed to down, it's a little easier to install this before we raise the hitch. Go ahead and use the provided hardware to mount it into place using a 3/8 socket and a Phillips screwdriver. Now place the receiver hitch over the vehicle's bumper and align the 4 mounting locations. Each mounting location will have a bolt, a nut, a flat washer, and a conical tooth washer. The flat washer will go on first, and then the conical tooth washer with the teeth facing the hitch, and then the nut. Grab the nut with 2 fingers, hold it firmly in place of the bolt, and use your offhand to twist the bolt into the nut. Due to the flange and restricted access on the driver's side, installing the nut and washer are going to be easier if we tape them together. Use a 19mm open-ended wrench to hold this into position. You can now tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer specifications that I will link in the description below. You will need a 19mm socket for your torque wrench, as well as the 19mm open-ended wrench again. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the tire is 9 inches. From the ground to the inside of the top of the receiver is 21.5 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.